Since 2005, Mobile Furniture has been pursuing a simple mission, a mission to transform every place into a place of beauty. Mobile was awarded the prestigious Most Admired Retailer Eastern India Award in 2012 and 2016 as well, in the Home and Office Improvement category. An ISO 9001 certified company, founded by brothers Arun and Manish Bayani, both engineers, Mobile is one of the leading retailer of furniture and furnishings. Mobile Furniture offers a complete range of home furniture, office furniture, outdoor furniture, modular kitchens, furnishing fabrics, wooden flooring, carpets, wallpapers, UPVC windows and other interior decor items. Mobile Furniture has a chain of large format retail stores in East and South India, having a mix of company operated and franchise operated outlets. The stores cover more than 1,25,000 square feet of retail space. Mobile is planning to expand the network across India and the rest of the world. Mobile has its own web store, mobilehomestore.com, where anyone can buy furniture online. Mobile undertakes complete interior design and execution projects for home and office spaces. They have a team of qualified and experienced interior designers and supervisors to take up jobs like false ceiling, painting, plumbing, electricals and customized furniture. Mobile has developed its own manufacturing setup, having latest Italian and German machines to manufacture all kinds of modular furniture, modular kitchens and superior quality sofa sets. This gives Mobile an edge over other retailers in the production of customized furniture as per designs and specifications of the customers in various segments like real estate, banks, offices, hotels, clubs, guest houses, hospitals, educational institutions and many more. At Mobile, customer service is given the highest priority. They have a dedicated customer service department to ensure best quality service to each customer.
I had to make a furniture that will look nice in my flat. Only this was the bottom line. In the beginning, I had a tussle between whether to use ready-made furniture, take ready-made furniture or customized one. Basically, collection was very good. The ready-made item, the collection of ready-made items was very tempting. हाँ दोबारा need होगा कुछ ऐसा कुछ कराने का तो definitely वहीं से कराऊंगा. मोबाइल क्यों चूज किया? अभी वो ट्रस्टेड ब्रांड था तो इसी के लिए बोला कोई नए जन से कराने से अच्छा जिनको जानते हैं उनसे कराओ. एंड आई एम नॉट रिग्रेटिंग ऑन माय डिसीजन. ओके,
आई एम शहजाद अहमद, Executive Director of Merlin Group. As most people know that we have a mall wherein there is a showroom called Mobile, and we have been in association with them for a long time, and over the years we have been buying products and we have found their products to be of very good quality.
I am Vikas Datta, architect from Creative Forum Private Limited. So I am working for the last 20 years in the field of architecture, engineering and interior decoration. So I am associated with this company Mobile for the last 5 years or so. So my experience goes like that. They're a very good company. They have got very good showroom and they provide advertisements in the papers, so everybody aware of the company. Basically, not only the architects, but the normal customers are already fully aware of this company. My experience goes, their products are very good quality products, and look wise, and the durability is also good, and they have got a wide range of designs to meet all sorts of customers. And we used to use their product in different projects, basically in hotel projects, in offices.
Hi, I'm Navi. I've got a lot of furniture made from Mobile, and I think they've done a good job.
I would just like to update my experience with Mobile Furnitures. I first saw their furnitures in South City apartment. I really like the way they make furnitures, and also I checked with them whether they can do my home interiors. They were perfectly fine doing it. They were very customer friendly. I met them there, and they proposed me with a nice estimate, which was really good. And the best part that I like in them is the quality of furniture as well as their timeliness. They promised me that they will complete my entire interiors within 2 months, and it was done on the 60th day. So because I had to travel out, I work in Hyderabad most of the time, so it was a really nice experience with them. You can look at my house as well. I mean, it's been 4 years that I've been staying in this house, and I don't even see a single scratch on the furniture, which is amazing. The quality of work, the kind of paints that they have used, the veneers, all are awesome. So I would like to thank the Mobile Furnitures to provide such kind of quality to me.
Yeah, hello, this is Avinash Baheti, Director of AK Power Food Private Limited. Now, we are using this office since last 2 years. The interior work is done by Mobile Furniture. I know Mobile Furniture from, you say, 5-6 years. So the interior work is excellent. We get a positive vibe when we work in this office. The time committed was also on time, so everything was fine.
Okay, hi, I'm Rachit Sangvi. I'm heading the most premium project for Merlin in Calcutta, which is Merlin Cambridge, as you know. We're giving very high-end specifications and amenities in this project, of which modular kitchens is one of them. Mobile Furniture, as you know, has been associated with us for several years now, and we have taken modular kitchens from them for the entire project. And to be very frank with you, we are very pleased with the product and the service. More than the product,
I was looking like I had already given my design like flats का interiors के लिए दूसरों को करने के लिए, but then when I came here, I found the designers very interesting, and I found कि मेरा जो needs है वो यहाँ fulfill हो सकता है for all customized furniture. But then ready furnitures were also very tempting, very clear look था, finished था. Budget भी था, but then you cannot always rely on that figure, and time was okay, within the time. Not as yet, no, never. Yeah, obviously I will, and we have already recommended. If we need, we will really come back again.
So, if you want to make your dream home or office, just step into the nearest Mobile store and our team will take care of the rest. To know more, visit us at www.mobilehomestore.com or call us at 8100 233 233.